Good day, my friends. We bring you greetings from Hollywood, California. This is a lovely day. It is, unfortunately, our last day here in Hollywood, but we've had a blast here with Avon at the Presidential Recognition Program celebration. And I just wanted to encourage each of you to, in general, do all that you can to enjoy life, do all that you can to reach back and help others as you're growing and going through life, and also to encourage each of you to never give up on your dreams. Each of us have the ability to make these trips. Each of us have the ability to impact the lives of others in a positive way. And I just want to encourage you to always dream big, work smart, and do your best to keep smiling and enjoying life, and also surrounding yourself with positive people. I'm wishing each of you the best. I hope that you're having a wonderful day wherever you are, and we look forward to seeing you on the next Avon adventure. Have a great day, my friends.